Stay productive, be pushing, be positive, help your people get through this, and do it in a way that also helps your community so you can give back to them. Hi, this is Brian Eisenhower, and I am here to talk to you a little bit about some things that real estate agents can do in light of the coronavirus crisis that's going on. As we move deeper and deeper into the spread of this virus, more and more geographic areas across North America are starting to lock down depending on where you live, and different governments, federal and state and provincial and local levels are all taking varying degrees of stances. A lot of it's based on the spread of the disease in your particular area to limit movement amongst the residents, and oftentimes it's determined whether real estate agents are deemed as essential services, the limit that they can work. So in all likelihood, as the numbers of the infected and dead due to the virus increase, those restrictions are likely to increase as we move along here. So then, the charge comes to us as real estate agents, where we still have to earn a living. Oftentimes we are our own business people. It's very hard for us to go home. We're not collecting paychecks, but we have to do something to continue to generate business. Yes, we're going to service our existing business and try to hold that together and try to keep our transactions together so our clients get helped and we earn income. But it's very important that we don't leave a gap in our production down the road. So we have to continue to do some activities to generate business too, so that we can continue to close transactions, or at the very least pipeline transactions, so that when this crisis is over, we've generated a lot of clients that are now ready to list their house for sale or get out and start looking at property again to purchase it. Because if we have to start all over once this is over, it could really extend the gap in between us earning income and paychecks. So very important we keep active in our time off now. And I think it really provides a unique activity. And this is something that all of ICC coaches are coaching all of our clients across North America. And it's very encouraging too, because so many agents are actually coming to us right now, realizing that they do need help. So we're actually getting a lot of coaching inquiries and bringing on a lot of new clients right now, due to the fact that people are worried about how they're going to get through this. They're investing in their business at a very scary time to invest in anything, and to increase your expenses to move forward. And one of the things we're telling them and telling all of our clients, it's a unique opportunity right now for us as agents to really be community advisors and leaders in our community. So much of real estate is based on transactions done from the people that we know and the people who at least know who we are, our sphere of influence. We coach our clients to systematically stay in contact with members of our sphere of influence over time, so that we're constantly staying first of mind with them through emails, mailers, Facebook, social media, telephone calls, client events, pop buys, etc., etc. However, now, because of all these restrictions, a lot of those contacts are kind of getting limited to telephonic and digital social media. So we have to get very creative with ways we can add value and come from contribution. And right now there is it's a scary place. We're in a unique area that at least in North America we've not been in before, where we're dealing with a pandemic, where we're very isolated. So trying to think of different ways that we as real estate agents can add value and enhance our local communities is really the name of the game. Ways that we can stay in contact and stay in front of them, so we can preserve our our mind share and keep generating business, so we can stay first of mind with people, but also help and give back. So few professionals are in a position to do that. Yes, we've got our healthcare people that are on the front lines trying to fight this thing, and people working at grocery stores and et cetera, in our police and our fire and all the very, very essential services out there. But what can we do? And I think what we can do is we can be the communication message out there. And a lot of agents are already getting out there and doing it. I kind of want to talk to you about a few different ways they are doing that, as they're spreading positivity, support, hope, and they're really trying to make a difference through their connections. Because that's one thing we have that other essential services do not, is they don't have the connections, the communication pipeline. That's the hard thing. We're hearing so many mixed messages and wrong messages. And one thing we can do is make sure our message is heard and make sure that it's a positive one. A great example of that is offering scholarships and doing this all digitally, online, through our databases. And I'm going to start there. If you do not have client databases, like a database of your sphere of influence with contact information, email. You're not connected with them on Facebook and Instagram online. We need to do that. I mean, that should be the first thing we should be doing while we are, stranded in our own homes, is getting them together and getting them into CRM. Getting a CRM if you don't have that too. I mean, this is probably the most important time. We always say we're too busy for that. Well, now you got time. So we should grow that database because that extends our reach. The more people that we are connected to via email, the more people we are connected to via Facebook and Instagram and whatnot, really extends the breadth of our message right now. I mean, those agents that have actually spent a lot of time building and cultivating and growing those databases, now they can be very effective, even though we're very limited and isolated. So one of the things that we've done is offered, had some clients get very, very creative and offer scholarships for kids out there, because kids are home, not homeschooled. And one of the ones I thought was really great is exactly what we need. It's offering a scholarship to the child in different age groups, or maybe the top 5 students at a school district or in a certain neighborhood or in a certain school, or even in like a soccer club or a sports club, whatever your database is that you have contact information for. You're offering scholarships for the children that demonstrate what they have done in a safe, compliant manner with whatever the rules are with regards to their movement in their area, to help inspire or assist their local community. And that may be limited just for what these children are doing online to raise spirits in their area. So let's get the kids to be creative and do something for the kids where we actually give them a scholarship. And a lot of your vendors will help with that too. You as an agent could give a $2,000 scholarship to the first place. Second place could be $1,000. Third place $500. Fourth place $250, what have you. And then, get some of your vendors to pitch in, like your home warranty people, your lenders, title, escrow, closing companies, attorneys, home insurance people could all kind of pitch in this too. So it's not too big of a financial burden on any one of us. And we all get an opportunity as a team, your team of people you work with typically when you close transactions, to really give back and help demonstrate to the local community that you are trying to make a difference positively and keeping the kids engaged and keeping the kids focused on ways that they too can help and make a positive impact. And quite frankly, we in the industry, we're in new territory right now, so we can use it. I'm picking the brains of all of our clients and all my coaches and all their clients. We're trying to find what you guys are doing to add hope and inspire and help and assist and lead and be positive in your communities in our limited roles right now, so that we can continue to make contacts, so that we can give back, and so that we can stay first of mind, and we can all get through this too in a positive fashion. So please let us know. Please let us know your good ideas. Put them in the comments below the video, email them to us, go to therealestatetrainer.com, subscribe to our newsletter so you get more information like this. We are putting videos out just about daily, just to keep you up to date and help you guys get through this. And definitely make sure that you are in our Real Estate Agent Roundtable Facebook group. Getting a lot of ideas shared in there, a lot of updates, a lot of good content for you to share with your people, so that you can help the people in your sphere of influence stay up to date on what they need to know to get through this crisis right now. So a lot of good content being passed around there and ideas being passed around. So connect with us. That's the key. I mean, don't isolate completely, at least digitally connect. So again, Real Estate Agent Roundtable Facebook group, therealestatetrainer.com on the internet. That's our website. Go there, subscribe to our newsletter so you get our emails. We're going to be kicking out a lot of them right now. And that's the idea right now. Stay productive, be pushing, be positive, help your people get through this, and do it in a way that also helps your community so you can give back to them. Okay, I hope this helps, guys. Again, let us know, stay with it, and we will get through this.